Good day, friends. Welcome to Hospitality Studies channel. Today we going to see another interesting topic, cleaning solutions usages in hotels. If you are watching my channel first time, kindly subscribe the channel and click the notification bell to receive all updates from my channel. Let's go to the video. We going to discuss about different types of cleaning agents using in hospitality industry. What is cleaning solutions? Cleaning solutions are used to clean certain product or things to maintain the cleanliness and to protect from any bacterial or virus contaminations. Cleaning agents are the most critical aids of the housekeeping department in their day-to-day operations to keep the room and public area neat and clean. When it comes to cleaning, chemicals agents plays major role to keep ourself and guests safe in our working area. Different things in hotels require different type of cleaning solutions. We going to see more in details and one by one with proper usage methods of cleaning agents. Cleaning agents are given specific codes, e.g. R1, R2, R3. The letter R stands for room care. R1. What is R1? R1 solutions are used for cleaning and sanitizing of bathroom, toilet surfaces. These solutions are used to clean bathroom surfaces, sink, tub, tiles, floors and fittings. How to use this R1? The container which shown has concentrated liquid. To dilute and use we have to follow below measurements. For cleaning, 20 ml in 1 liter of water. For sanitizing, 50 ml in 1 liter of water. Spray R1 directly on the dirty surface and leave it for 2 seconds and start scrub or wipe to clean up the area. This way the place will be cleaned. R2. What is R2? R2 solutions are all-purpose cleaning agent. These solutions are used to clean all kind of surfaces, floor tiles, marbles and concrete floors as well. How to use this R2? The container which shown has concentrated liquid. To dilute and use we have to follow below measurements. Normal soiling, 20 to 40 ml in 1 liter of water. Heavy soiling, 50 ml in 1 liter of water. R2 is used as floor cleaner for glass and floor like Italian marble. R2 can be used for wet mopping as well as scrubbing with a machine. Wet mopping R2 solution is taken in bucket, mop trolley. Rinse the mop frequently. Alternatively, use scrubbing machine and pick up direct solution using a wet vacuum cleaner. This way the place will be cleaned. R3. What is R3? R3 solutions are glass cleaner and mirror cleaner. These solutions are used to clean glass tables, windows, doors and any glass displays in the hotel. How to use this R3? The container which shown has concentrated liquid. To dilute and use we have to follow below measurements. All types of glasses, 20 to 50 ml in 1 liter of water. Use your sprayer and spray directly on a dry clean cloth. Apply to the surface and wipe with a clean dry lint-free cloth to avoid any type of marks in the glass. Try to replace cloth regularly basis to clean the glass surface. This way the place will be cleaned. R4. What is R4? R4 solutions are furniture cleaning, furniture polishing and furniture maintainer. These solutions are used to clean wooden materials like chairs, tables, other furnitures and wooden displays in the hotel. How to use this R4? The container which shown has concentrated liquid. To dilute and use we have to follow below measurements. R4 is ready to use, no need to dilute. Solution is bit thick and heavy. Make sure to shake the bottle well before use as the solution bit thicker than others. Use your sprayer and spray on a soft dry cloth. Apply to the wooden surface evenly and start buffing the surface. Buff the floor, surface to a high shine on the wooden furniture. Replace cloth regularly to get good result. This way the place will be cleaned. R5. What is R5? R5 solutions are air freshener, room freshener, bathroom freshener. These solutions are used in corridor, bathroom, guest rooms and outlets to keep up the refreshing smell in the venue. How to use this R5? The container which shown has concentrated liquid. To dilute and use we have to follow below measurements. R5 is ready to use, no need to dilute. These should not be sprayed directly on the floor as the smell will stays in one place only. So we have to spray upward into the center of the room to keep the smell all around the places. This way the place will be refreshing to use. R6. What is R6? R6 solutions are toilet bowl cleaner, heavy-duty toilet bowl, urinal cleaner. These solutions are used to remove the limescale, stains and other residues. How to use this R6? R6 is ready to use, no need to dilute. Spray the solution in heavy-duty toilet bowl and urinal cleaner. Do not use on stainless steel, enamel, marble and tiles. Spray directly on the nozzle under toilet rim and evenly over the surfaces. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Flush the water in toilet. Push water level down with toilet brush. This way the place will be cleaned and the stains will be removed. R7. What is R7? R7 solutions are for removal of oil and grease from floor, non-abrasive cream cleaner for water-resistant hard surfaces. These solutions are used to remove the heavy stains caused at work by grease, paintings, cooking wastage, etc. How to use this R7? The container which shown has concentrated liquid. To dilute and use we have to follow below measurements. Normal soiling, 20 to 40 ml in 1 liter of water. Heavy soiling, 50 ml in 1 liter of water. If it is a wet mopping, take the solution, bucket and mop. Rinse the mop frequently. Alternatively, we can use a scrubbing machine and pick up solution with a wet vacuum. This way the place will be cleaned and the stains will be removed. R8. What is R8? R8 solutions are for Kettle Descaler. These solutions are highly effective acid-based descaler for kettles, kitchen equipment, shower heads, etc. How to use this R8? These solutions are ready to use, dilution not required. Pour the required amount of product into the dirty kettle. Add cold water to the maximum line and leave overnight. Rinse the kettle thoroughly with fresh cold water. Boil water once and then pour away before using again. Citric acid based, safe on surfaces, including plastic kettles. It can be used neat for tough limescale deposits on shower heads, tap bases. This way the place will be cleaned and the stains will be removed. R9. What is R9? R9 solutions are for removal of hard stains from bathroom walls and fittings. These solutions are fully formulated cleaner for cleaning all fittings and walls in the bathroom, sink, tub, tiles and fittings. How to use this R9? The container which shown has concentrated liquid. To dilute and use we have to follow below measurements. 5100 ml solution in 1 liter water, as per the staining requirement. Spray the solution directly on the surface to be cleaned. And leave for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds start scrub and drain with plain water. Then wipe surface and polish all metal surfaces with a clean cloth. Try to replace cloth regularly to get good result. This way the place will be cleaned and the stains will be removed. I believe you all learn about the cleaning solutions R1 to R9, how they are using in housekeeping department in hotels. The letter R stands for room care. If you like this video, kindly click the like button and share it with your friends. If you want to watch hospitality or hotel industry related videos, kindly subscribe this channel and click the bell notification to get all my channel updates. See you on next video with another interesting hospitality topic. Thank you.